All right, time to get rid of some tools. I have way too many stamps. I love hand stitching belts. My workstation's way too organized. Perfect.
Yeah, absolutely. Like I say, good work is cheap and cheap work is good.
Yep, no coffee today. Golly. Quality tools are way overrated. My swivel knife is way too sharp.
Oh yeah, I totally agree. Quality isn't the issue. You can basically find the same thing at a store.
That's way more than 8 to 9 ounces. Oh, the birthday's tomorrow? Oh yeah, I can get that custom belt done by then. Okay, just gonna spend a little bit on leather. I feel sorry for all those cows. Vegetan leather is just made out of vegetables. Duh. Case your leather before tooling. Yeah, not necessary. My hands never get sore. It's a fact. Genuine leather is just the best.
I should really start charging less.